All right, we're gonna put our hands together for a group that started back in the 60s, singing like so many groups back then did. They have performed with and practiced with and played with the likes of the Temptations, the OJs, the Sound of Philadelphia, the Ohio Players, and many, many more. They've been back together for the last 2 years. We want you to put your hands together for the band and for the group members, the original group members of the Soul Devalents Force of Nature.
You know I love well, you want to be a movie star, I can tell you how they good. But if you want to say this right, you really should. I'm gonna be a baby. I'll take it. I'm gonna be a woman. My mama's telling you, girl, that I love ya. Need you, I want ya. I got to have you. Bring God, and you know I love you. You know I do. One thing to the top out. You got to have your child. Great God in heaven, you know I'm ready to do, girl. You know I love you, I need you. I want you got to have your child. Great God in heaven, you know I love you. We back in the hood. This is where we